hear a ping, my heart takes flight. A little word from you tonight. Nothing big, just a line so small, but it's like fireworks in my soul. Your emoji smile lights up my screen, turns my gray into tangerine. Every hay feels like a secret key, unlocking moments meant for me. I try to play it cool, I try to hide, but your words are slipping inside. A tiny spark, a gentle flame, already nothing feels the same. All these little sparks you send my way turn ordinary skies into a play. Every message, every sign feels like your hand is holding mine. Scrolling through our chat again, laughing at jokes, pretending to pretend. A single word can color my day in ways no one else could ever say. Heartbeat racing, my mind's a twist. Every phrase I can't resist. The way you type, the way you care, a magic floating in the air. All these little sparks you send tonight paint my world in glowing light. Every message, every line feels like your heart is touching mine. Maybe it's just pixels and screen, but somehow it's more than it may seem. Every high and every low feels like a story only we know. Oh, these little sparks you send my way turn the ordinary into a ballet. Every message, every sigh feels like your voice is standing by
Crack my window and ran wild. Coffee danced like it knew my style. No signs, no maps, but I've got shoes. Today's not waiting, gotta choose. Cross the street on the second beat. Strangers smiled like we'd all repeat a secret joke the sky once told. It's not a plan, it's uncontrolled. Something in the rhythm of my breath tells me I won't need second guess. Even the mess feels designed like chaos drew the perfect line. This day's wearing its best colors every second like no other. I don't need a reason why. The air just kissed me as I pass by. I'm not chasing, I'm just in it. This day's got no limit. Busker hums in a broken key. Still it sounds like a song for me. Coins and laughter hit the ground. Never felt so light, unbound. Even shadows dance behind me. No fear in what I can't see. Every wrong turn's got a charm. Even static feels like calm. This day's humming in full motion like I drank a secret potion. No script, no need to try. The sky just winked as I walked by. I'm not hoping, I just know it. This day's gonna show it. I've been a clock ticking through. Now I'm the spark burning new. If I trip, I'll fall like gold. Every stumble's brave and bold. This day's louder than my silence, running past the world's defiance. Every breath a spark that flies. Even clouds wear suits and ties. I'm not dreaming.
In a world where dreams collide, we chase the light and let it guide every step we take together. Through the highs and through the weather, feel the rhythm of the heart. Every day is a fresh start. With the colors that we share, we'll paint the sky, we'll dare. Shine, shine, let the colors show in every heart. Let the light grow, rise above, we're breaking free. In this moment we'll just be. Every challenge we embrace brings us closer to our place. In this dance of life we sway, turning dreams into today. Feel the magic in the air. Every moment's beyond compare. With each step we're writing stories in the book of endless glories. Shine, shine, let the colors show in every heart. Let the light grow, rise above, we're breaking free. In this moment we'll just be. And when the world feels out of reach, remember dreams are within your speech. With every heartbeat, every breath, we'll chase the stars, we'll conquer the rest. And when the world feels out of reach, remember dreams are within your speech. With every heartbeat, every breath, we'll chase the stars, we'll conquer the rest. Shine, shine, let the colors show in every. knowing what we'd need. All the tears and all the cheers are the songs that brought us here. Hey, those lemon days, they taught me how to be. All the joy and ache inside of me, even as they softly drift away, I still sing about those lemon days. Hey, those lemon days, they never really die. They just hide behind the summer sky. Every beat still echoes when I play.
あの日ふとした偶然が二人をつないだね。笑い方も話し方もすぐに惹かれてた。初めて手をつないだ帰り道の風、ぎこちないけど暖かかったんだ。喧嘩してもすぐに謝る君が好きで、黙って隣にいてくれる時間が宝物。思い出が重なって色を増してゆく。何気ない日々が僕のすべてにいつか言おうって胸に秘めてた。だけど今日しかない気がしたんだ。君の笑顔が僕を強くした。不器用な言葉でも今は届けたい。これから先のすべてを君と歩きたい。だから聞いてほしい僕の気持ちを。指輪を握る手のひら、汗ばむこの行動。何度も練習したフレーズがうまく出てこない。でも君がこっちを見て優しく笑うから、全部忘れてただまっすぐに言えた。ありふれた言葉かもしれないけど、僕の人生で一番真剣な声で、君の涙が僕を包んだ。嬉しさと驚きがその瞳に光る。吐いて言葉が世界を変えたんだ。僕の隣にいてくれてありがとう。季節が巡っても何年経っても、今日の気持ちをずっと忘れない。困った顔も怒った顔も愛しくてたまらない。全部守りたい。君と笑って君と泣いて、いくつもの扉を一緒に開けてゆこう。一緒に帰ろうってこれから毎日言うよ。ずっとずっと手を離さない。君に出会って恋をして今こうして人生を送るよ。小さなことも全部が宝物になる。この先もずっと君と